The world is still celebrating the Golden Globe nominations for director Payal Kapadia and her amazing film, All We Imagine as Light. She's up for a Best Directing Golden Globe, and the film is nominated for Best Non-English Language Motion Picture. She's already won tons of awards and acclaim, including the Grand Prix at Cannes. Now, if the Globes are any indication, the Oscars won't be far behind.
This is your debut feature. So take us through what kind of challenges you had to overcome to bring this to life.
I think even though it was my first film, I think making films is always has to be a labor of love because it's a pretty tight, like it always takes a long time to make films. That's why I always feel a bit like even if it's a big blockbuster movie, everybody has to work a lot to make it happen. And I think it was the same with us also. It was not a very big production or anything, but we had to do, as they say, a lot of jugaad to manage to get permissions for things, and shooting in Mumbai, which is a very expensive city to shoot in because commercials and all are shot there, so they immediately want to charge you those rates, and you're making one indie movie, so it was very complicated. And at one point, our producer was like, "Why you wrote this film in Mumbai? You should have put any other city, would have been better."
അതിനെൻ്റെ മോനെ രാത്രി വരെ കാത്തിരിക്കേണ്ടി വരും. പക്ഷേ തൽക്കാലത്തേക്ക് ഞാൻ ഈ മേഘത്തിൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ കുറച്ച് ഉമ്മ കൊടുത്തിട്ടാണ്.
You make it sound so simple. So let me also say this jugaad has finally paid off. What a reception. I think the journey kicked off with a big win at Cannes. Tell me about that experience and the whole reception.
Like I was really happy that we had so many of our team members come for the screening, because one person doesn't make a film, it's always the unit, and there's a lot of collective effort, so it's nice that we can also be there together to celebrate the end of it. And so I was really happy because exactly 1 year ago in May 23 is when we were doing the workshops for the film with all the actresses, and we did like 3 weeks of preparation with only actors, and we were all like in our those harem pants and yoga pants and this kind of thing, because if you're doing rehearsal you have to feel very free. And 1 year later we're all hanging out on this fancy French south of France life with really fancy clothes. It was absolutely surreal.
This film has released in nearly 200 theatres in France recently. What do you think it's about the film that's resonating so well with people from all walks of life?
I mean, even though the film is based in India, the film is kind of fundamental themes about living in a big city and finding friendships. So maybe some cultural nuances they won't understand, but fundamentally, I think that these are themes that anybody who's had a big city experience could connect to. At least that was my hope.
You rightly said, because not just the friendship, even the love part stands out in this. So are you also like a die-hard romantic at heart? What does this emotion mean to you?
I'm a fully romantic person, and for me, I like to see spaces from a romantic angle as well, because I often have explored cities with somebody I was falling in love with, and then the city and the spaces there tend to be associated with those moments, like that particular auto rickshaw ride from this place to this place, or like this park that you went to just to hang out, or Marine Line station to eat the samosa there. So all these kind of those spaces are not that like fantastic or anything, but it's because you are in that feeling of romance and love. It was the places feel better.
എൻ്റെ വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ ചെക്കന്മാരുടെ ഫോട്ടോസൊക്കെ അയക്കുന്നുണ്ട് കല്യാണത്തിന്, പക്ഷെ എനിക്കിപ്പോൾ കെട്ടണ്ട, എല്ലാം നമ്മുടെ തലയിലെടുത്തോണ്ടിരിക്കും.
You've been listed in Time's 100 Next list. Has that sunk in? What does it mean for South Asian filmmakers and stories?
I don't know. I'm actually very nervous. It's like a whole other world for me, and even like this is coming to America. It's like the first time I'm coming to New York, so I'm feeling like a child in a whole different world. I don't understand. So let's see. I'm excited also because of course it's a huge honor and privilege, and I'm really like grateful, but nervous.
ഈ ഭാവിയെ പറ്റി ചിന്തിക്കാറുണ്ടോ?
हम दोनों का सेम है सिस्टर, एकता जीव सदाशिव ऐसा.
How soon do we get to see you after this? What next after this?
I want to make another film in Mumbai. I'm thinking now of making like a historical kind of a mystery film, but based in Bombay. But it's still very early stages.
I think it's better to give your producer heads up because it's going to be another Mumbai shoot, another expensive shoot, so brace for it.
Yeah, I know. While I'm saying it only, I'm thinking paisa.
ऐसा लगता है ये जगह है ही नहीं, गायब हो जाओ तो किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा.
Congratulations to Payal Kapadia and her team for getting 2 huge Golden Globe nominations. We're rooting for you to bring home the gold on January 5th.